Seeing your Rogers modem blink orange and green? Don't panic. This usually means a firmware update is in progress. Rogers Communications pushes these updates to improve performance, security, especially after the 2024 router hacks, and compatibility with new technologies like Wi-Fi 6E and 5G. These updates patch bugs, add features, and ensure compliance with cybersecurity regulations. The alternating orange and green lights are a signal to not interrupt the process. Orange typically indicates a connection or update issue, while green shows active data flow. This phase typically lasts 5 to 30 minutes. So the first and most important thing to do is be patient and wait it out. If the blinking continues for more than 30 minutes, it might indicate a problem. Before contacting Rogers, check these things. Ensure all cables are securely connected. Loose connections can mimic update issues. If the lights eventually stabilize, but you still have no internet, try a power cycle. Unplug the modem for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Avoid factory resetting your modem unless specifically instructed by Rogers support, as this could brick the device. If all else fails, contact Rogers 24/7 support via their app or chat. They can remotely diagnose the issue and push fixes. Remember, interrupting an update can damage your modem, potentially costing $100 to $200 CAD for a replacement, so only reset as a last resort.